Hello and welcome. Today we embark on a journey to transform not just your workspace but also your mind using the principles of 5S. This method, originating in Japan, emphasizes the power of organization for enhanced productivity and peace. Imagine a workspace free of clutter where every item has its place and your mind is as serene as a tranquil garden. The 5S method, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain, offers a roadmap to achieve this blissful state. Just as we cherish and care for our homes, our workspaces deserve the same level of attention. By implementing these 5 simple steps, we can create an environment that sparks joy and facilitates focus. Throughout this journey, remember that we are not just organizing objects, but cultivating a mindful approach to work and life. Are you ready to unlock your true potential? Let's begin.
The first step, sort, encourages us to confront every item in our workspace. Hold each object in your hand and ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in my current work? If the answer is no, it's time to let go with gratitude. This process of letting go extends beyond physical objects. It's about identifying and releasing mental clutter, those nagging to-do lists, unfinished projects, or negative thoughts that occupy precious mental space. As we free our workspace from unnecessary items, we create space for clarity and inspiration. Remember, decluttering is not about deprivation, but about prioritizing what truly matters. By surrounding ourselves with items that spark joy and support our work, we create an environment that fosters productivity and peace. As you sort through your workspace, pay attention to the emotions that arise. Do certain items evoke stress or anxiety? Do others bring a sense of calm or excitement? Let your intuition guide you. Trust that by releasing what no longer serves you, you are making space for new opportunities and experiences to enter your life. The process of sorting can be incredibly liberating. It's about making conscious choices about what we allow into our lives, both physically and mentally. So take your time, be honest with yourself, and enjoy the process of creating a workspace that truly reflects who you are and what you want to achieve. Once you've completed the sorting process, take a moment to appreciate the newfound clarity in your workspace. Notice how it makes you feel lighter, more focused, more energized. This is the power of decluttering. It's not just about tidying up, it's about creating a space where you can thrive.
Now that we've created space by sorting, it's time to establish order. This step, set in order, is about creating a home for everything in your workspace so you never have to waste time searching for things again. Think about the frequency of use for each item. Those used daily should be within arm's reach, while less frequently used items can be stored further away. Consider using drawer dividers, shelves, and clear containers to create designated spaces for everything. Labeling is key. Clearly label containers and shelves so you can easily locate what you need when you need it. This not only saves time but also reduces mental clutter by eliminating the need to remember where things are stored. A well-organized workspace is like a well-organized mind. When everything is in its place, our minds are free to focus on the task at hand, leading to increased productivity and reduced stress. As you arrange your workspace, visualize the flow of your work. Where do you need certain items to be for optimal efficiency? Consider using vertical space to maximize storage and create a sense of openness. Shelves and wall organizers can be your best friends in this endeavor. Remember, the goal is to create a workspace that feels intuitive and effortless to navigate. Every item should have a designated home and everything should be easy to find and put away. Take your time with this process and don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements until you find what works best for you.
A clean workspace is not just visually appealing. It has a profound impact on our mental clarity and overall well-being. This step, shine, encourages us to view cleaning not as a chore, but as an act of self-care. Take a few moments each day to wipe down your desk, keyboard, and other frequently touched surfaces. A clean and dust-free environment can do wonders for our focus and concentration. Pay attention to the details. Clean your computer screen, organize your cables, and even consider adding a small plant to your workspace for a touch of nature's vibrancy. As you clean, visualize yourself wiping away any lingering stress or negativity. Imagine your workspace becoming a sanctuary of peace and productivity. A clean workspace can also inspire creativity and a sense of calm. When our surroundings are free of clutter and dirt, our minds are free to wander and explore new possibilities. Incorporate the act of cleaning into your daily routine. Perhaps you can start your day by wiping down your desk or end your day by organizing your workspace. Remember, a clean workspace is an ongoing practice, not a one-time event. By making cleaning a regular habit, we create a sense of order and tranquility that extends beyond our physical surroundings. The act of cleaning can be incredibly grounding and meditative. It allows us to connect with our surroundings on a deeper level and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. So, embrace the practice of shine and experience the transformative power of a clean and inviting workspace.
Now that we've sorted, organized, and cleaned our workspace, it's time to establish standards to maintain this newfound order. This step, standardize, is about creating systems and routines that make tidiness effortless. Think about the habits and practices that helped you achieve this organized state. How can you incorporate them into your daily routine? Perhaps you can dedicate a few minutes each evening to putting things away, or create a checklist for weekly cleaning tasks. Visual cues can be incredibly helpful in maintaining order. Use labels, color-coding systems, and clear containers to make it easy to identify where things belong. Involve others if you share your workspace. Communicate your standards and encourage everyone to take ownership of maintaining a clean and organized environment. Standardization is not about rigidity. It's about creating a framework that supports your productivity and well-being. Regularly review and adjust your systems as needed. What worked in the past may not always be the best solution as your needs evolve. Document your standards and procedures. This could be as simple as a checklist or as detailed as a written manual. Having a reference guide ensures consistency and makes it easier to onboard new team members. Remember, the goal of standardization is to create a workspace that runs smoothly and efficiently, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what matters most. By establishing clear standards and routines, we create a sense of order and predictability in our work environment, which can lead to reduced stress and increased productivity. Embrace the power of standardization and watch as your workspace transforms into a haven of efficiency and tranquility.
The final step, sustain, is about making these practices an integral part of our work life. It's about cultivating mindfulness and discipline to maintain the positive changes we've created. Regularly reflect on the benefits you've experienced since implementing the 5S method. How has it impacted your productivity, focus, and overall well-being? Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge the effort you've put into creating a more organized and efficient workspace. Positive reinforcement can be a powerful motivator. Don't be afraid to seek support from colleagues or friends. Sharing your journey with others can provide encouragement and accountability. Remember that maintaining an organized workspace is an ongoing journey, not a destination. There will be days when things get messy, and that's okay. The key is to approach these moments with a sense of gentle awareness and a commitment to restoring order. View setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Incorporate the principles of 5S into other areas of your life. A tidy workspace often inspires tidiness in other aspects of our lives, leading to a greater sense of overall well-being. As you continue to practice the 5S method, you'll find that it becomes more than just a set of rules. It becomes a way of life. A way of life that values order, efficiency, and mindfulness. And as you embrace this way of life, you'll discover a newfound sense of calm, focus, and joy in all that you do. Remember, the journey of 5S is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the transformative power of an organized and fulfilling work life.
Congratulations on taking this journey through the transformative 5S method. Remember, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain are not just steps, but a philosophy for a more mindful and productive work life. By implementing these principles, you've taken a significant step towards creating a workspace that sparks joy and facilitates focus. As you continue to nurture these habits, you'll find that the benefits extend far beyond your desk, positively impacting your overall well-being. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found these tips helpful, please share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content on transforming your workspace and your life.